Böhler Welding stick electrodes have been developed to meet the highest expectations and provide the best solution for your welding job. Regardless which industrial challenge, you will always find the right electrode in our portfolio. Böhler Fox C9 MV is a proven and reliable product for your most challenging creep-resistant application. As a pioneer in filler metals for joining, Böhler Welding offers a unique, global and customer-focused portfolio for lasting connections.